Hello friends, I am Siddharth Mehta. In previous lecture we studied the basic introduction of BJT. Now we will study the types of transistor. You know that two types of semiconductors are available, p-type semiconductors and n-type semiconductors. By combining these two types of semiconductors, we can construct two types of transistor, PNP transistor and NPN transistor. Okay, first of all we will study the PNP transistor. You can see that the n region or n layer is comes between two p layers. Okay, this n region represent the layer of n semiconductor is put between two p types layer. Okay, three regions are available. One is connected with E, second one is connected with B, and third one is connected with C. Here E represents the emitter terminal, B is for base terminal, and C is for collector terminal. Okay, so this is construction of PNP transistor. Okay, in this PNP transistor, n layer is comes between two p types of layer. Okay, and one is connected with emitter, second one is connected with base, and third one is connected with collector. Okay, same construction is available for NPN transistor. You can see that in NPN transistor, p layer semiconductor is putting between two n type of semiconductors. Okay, same terminals are available like PNP transistor. One is emitter, second one is base, and third one is collector. Okay, this is PNP transistor and this is NPN transistor. Okay, now we will see the symbol of PNP and NPN transistor. You can see that in both construction three terminals are available. One is emitter, second one is base, third one is collector. Same here, emitter, base and collector. Here NPN, here this is symbol of NPN, so put here N, put P and N. P is comes between two n types of layers. Same, this is symbol of PNP, so n is comes between two p types, so here P and P. Okay, you can see that in both symbol the arrow represent the direction of conduction current. Okay, it is represent the direction of current. Okay, it always put on emitter terminal, but the difference between these two symbol is direction of arrow. Here the direction of arrow is toward the emitter. In this symbol the direction of arrow is toward the B. Okay, this is represent the NPN symbol and this is for PNP. Okay, now you have to know that how I will put this direction of arrow. Okay, you have to keep in mind that always the direction of arrowhead is go from P to N. Okay, always the direction of arrow is from P to N. So here in NPN transistor it comes like this. Okay, P to N, and same for NPN, same for PNP, it like P to N. So in this symbol it comes like this, and in NPN transistor symbol it comes like this. Okay, thank you.